Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and this is another Click Look video where we quickly look at various art books, magazines and comics. And today Betty the Bunny's going to help us look at this one, which should hopefully be issue number 226 of the ImagineFX magazine. Let's go and have a look at this one. So before we get into it, does anybody fancy a bit of birthday cake? Because this one here actually popped through my letterbox yesterday on my birthday, which I thought was brilliant. But I thought to myself, I don't want to do any videos on my birthday, so I'm doing it today. But before we get into that one, I just want to say a massive thank you as well to ImagineFX, because they actually sent me issue number 213, the subscriber issue. So I'm so happy about that, because this was one of my favourite covers from last year, but I like the ones without the text on it. So I've now got the full subscriber thing from my collection, and I just think that's one of the most beautiful covers, that is. But this year, for 2023, so far we've had these ones, and I feel like this year has been one of the best for covers. So that was the first one, issue number 221. Then we had a lowish special. Then we had the sketchbook special. Then we had this one, beautiful that one. And the last one was this one, a robot. So what I like about this one was the way the background was. It's like there was something in the background. But my favourite one so far has been this one, the lowish special. So this was issue 222. So the question is this one going to be able to beat that one? And I don't think it will. So Betty's going to let us in. Dun, dun, dun. And I've got a feeling, hey, this one's going to be yellow, I think. Is there there's something else in here. There's like a little letter or something in this one. But I've got a feeling that this one here is going to be the best cover of the year. That's what I'm thinking. Betty's having a bit of trouble here. I've got to help her. I'm going to turn it around that way because I don't want it to... I feel like there's something in this. Oh no, it's the back page. Yeah, silly. So you've got a green back page. God, that's really stuck down, that one is. We've got green back page. What have we got on the cover? Oh, yeah. Oh yeah. Look. Oh. Oh, this is, I still think Lowish is gonna win it, but that one, oh yeah, fantasy illustration, look. Oh, I love that. I want to know who the artist is. It's Ann Maulina. Issue number 226. Well, that's definitely my second favourite of the year. Not only have we got a beautiful character, but I'm loving the colours. And it looks like she's sort of in the jungle. Creepy. I was going to say like sneaking around in the jungle or something. That is a beautiful one, that is. Betty's going to let us in. Doing. Our little editor Rob. I'm really excited now because I want to see. I hope that one's inside of it. Look, there's the one with the. That's the cover with all the text on it. Look, it's amazing how much the covers look different without the text on. That looks nice. That looks cool. That looks interesting. Hey, there's a sketchbook. Oh yeah, look, we're going to get to see it. I'm really liking that one as well. And that one. Artist versus AI. Oh, that's going to be interesting. Yeah, look at him, look. Oh, this looks like a very cool one. The next one, what have we got next? Mobile game concept art. That'll be next month. And look, day in the life of a Marvel artist. Cool. I love that one. That was from last year, that one. Issue 203. Some of these covers, you could put them on the wall, like frame them. This is the FXPosé section. Sort of like superheroes they are. Yeah, it's Moon Knight. That is, that's a Marvel comic. They've turned it into a TV show. These are cool. Look at that one. That's beautiful, that is. Fantasy females. See, I'm not really into environments, but I like that one because you've got like an emotion in that one. Oh, a little person there as well. That's cool as well. Yeah, those little people bringing the emotion. Look at that. Lover Hijzelaar. See, this is an artist I'd look into, that is. That would have been a nice cover as well. How beautiful that is, look. And somehow, it looks like... That there looks like a light. Huh. Somehow they've managed to sort of make it look like it's a light. That is cool, that is. The rookies. I love this one. Is that an AI, look? See, this is the thing. If say that was an AI, but it's beautiful, it's still beautiful, isn't it? So it is a bit of a, for me, AI art is a bit of a paradox. Because, let's say you're against AI, but it creates a beautiful piece of artwork. You can't not like it just because it's an AI. So it's a bit of a strange feeling, that is. But if these are all created by AI, that one there as well. But I did see something on, I think it was ArtStation or something, they brought out some sort of copyright thing. Which is, I don't know what it is, but this is basically, it looks like something to do with the AI program. I know the AI program is basically gone around stealing everyone's work. Look, Minyoung Yoon. This is a cool workspace. I like all the flowers. Very relaxing, that room. Here she is, look, pretending to work. Hello! She looks really cool actually, she's got her socks on. Look, little socks. Oh, she looks really cool. She looks like the sort of person you'd want to have as a friend. He's cool. Look, she's doing yoga there. This is, look, no more AI. AI woes. Yeah, AI is a very interesting topic. The Art of Jean-Baptiste Monge. I like this otter. I really do believe there is a world where this is real. Little like goblins and things. Yeah, and they might like the way we sit on horses and stuff. Little goblins, they would sit on things like that. Little witches, look. Yeah. These are funny, these ones. I like this artist. Oh, I like that, look. Papa Tango Charlie. Charlie reminds me of Lost, the TV show. Oh, I love this artist. Oh yeah, Julian del Rey. Very stylised shapes. I like that one. That's called Rest. Look, friends with the dragon. I like that. I bet this is the thing where they did a shape and they had to turn it into something. Yeah, make random shapes and see what comes from it. I do that in my sketchbook as well. It's great. I do it with lines as well. It's quite interesting. Look at that. I love that. Oh, she's putting her hand on the leaf as well. So it's like she's sort of hiding behind the leaves. See, what's probably happened is, she's been on this island all on her own, and a ship's arrived. And she's a bit like, should I trust these people or not? Look, we're going to get the sketches as well. So this is, I want to look into this artist. There they are, look. Ann Maulina from Indonesia. I wonder if that's like the world she lives in. I wonder if she lives in like the jungle place. I love this. Photoshop. Is that Photoshop? I think it is. Build a dreamlike fantasy setting. This reminds me of, what was that game called? Where you could rotate the world. Fez. Yeah, it reminds me of Fez, this one. Look, 1 minute you've got all this fun and happiness, and the next minute, a lot more serious. World building through shape. Fantasy, dreamlike. Oh, I like that as well. Add pop to your character's art. Some beautiful things in this one. Hey, look, all the different colours, look. She looks really nice with black hair, I think. I would say that is the best one. But I like her with black hair as well. I like the line art one as well. I don't know if you watch Dr. Van Hoot on YouTube. She looks a little bit like Mrs. Von Hoot. From big shapes to small shapes. Is this a painting or? That's weird. Fantasy City concept art. That'd be cool to live in that world, wouldn't it? Look, you've got a mountain there. See, I'd want to go and explore the mountain. Oh, I like this one. Plan out and refine your art. Got one eye. I like the colours of that one. That's nice, that is. Yay, traditional art. Oh yeah, that one. Is the FXPosé. Fun little characters. Oh, I like that. Look at him, look. Is that a little mole? Fun characters these are. Look, I think they're little moles. Makes you want to squeeze their nose. Spaceships. That's cool. Are these like pottery or something? Yeah, look, clay. So these are actually little sculptures. These are like psychedelic-y. Love that. Symbolic sci-fi artwork. I like the colours of it. Yeah, that'd be a nice tattoo. If you've watched the TV show Dark, that's a bit like that. That's a bit like Jonas with his yellow raincoat going into the tunnel. Look at it, look. So it's all done with watercolours and gouache. I love that. Again, this is another artist I'd like to look into. Anna Sokolova. Inking a scrap paper canvas. You know what, I think this might be my favourite issue of the year for the content. It's hard to say that though, because first impressions at the end. This always makes me laugh, that does. These are nice, look. Oh, amazing. See, the Lowish issue was I loved that Lowish issue. I also really loved the sketchbooks special. But there's something about this one, I got a feeling this one might end up being my favourite. I love that. I think that is beautiful. I really hope you enjoyed that. Do you think that's your favourite cover of the year? It's so close between those two. I still think Lowish though. But Betty enjoyed this one. It was a look at issue number 226 of the ImagineFX magazine. This is for June 2023. So we're almost halfway through the ImagineFX year already. It's crazy. Time's going mental, it is. I hope you enjoyed it though, and look, Betty's got like a little, almost looks like she's got a little tie on or something. Yeah, actually you could put that there, look, she's got a little moustache thing. I shall see you later for another one. I love birthday cake. Not as much as ImagineFX though.